Hey there, sewing explorers. We're stitching up some sewing excitement, and you're invited to the 6th annual virtual New Year's Eve Sew Along with Sallie Tomato and Sulky. This year, we're packing our bobbins and heading into 2026 with a theme that's all about travel, exploration, and stitching your own adventure. We love welcoming the new year with our sewing community while making a project that's fun to sew along with practical to use. And this year's exclusive project has been designed to help you step into the new year feeling organized and confident. I'm very excited to introduce you to the Lamont sling bag pattern. This pattern is designed to keep things light and hands-free for travel days, errands, and busy weekends. The sporty details and sleek style make it easy to grab and go. The Lamont features include a front zipper pocket for quick access, a concealed back zipper pocket for keeping essentials secure and out of sight, a spacious zippered interior, a comfortable shoulder strap, an accessory clip for added versatility, and a slightly wider base that gives you just enough room without the bulk. The pattern comes in 2 sizes. We will be making the mini size during the event. The Lamont bag is ready for errands, day trips, or extended adventures. I designed this pattern inspired by Lena Lamont from Singing in the Rain. This bag has bold personality and timeless charm. It's fashion forward and ready to carry on. You're invited to join me and the fabulous Ellen March from Sulky for a fun live sewing session where we'll guide you through every stitch of the project. Throughout the event, you'll learn tips on how to use bag hardware, webbing, and zippers, along with how to add a touch of embroidery magic within the hoop techniques. The pattern and embroidery files are included with event registration, and as usual, we'll be giving away several door prizes during the live event. Now, let's map out your fabric destination. We've created 4 adventure-ready kits, each designed to be unique and eye-catching. Bright, bold, and bursting with color, our Tulip Pink kit has everything you need to start the year with confidence and creativity. Next is our Urban Explorer kit. This is a sleek black faux wax canvas version for those who like to travel light but keep it classy. It's the perfect neutral for your next adventure. If you haven't worked with our faux waxed canvas before, it has a rich, distressed look of waxed canvas without the mess. This tightly woven cotton is water resistant, dirt repellent, and feels like a quality canvas that's easy to sew. Next is our Winter Wanderer kit. This bold pink cotton version brings a fresh, joyful twist to winter. With a playful snowflake print and coordinating zipper pulls, it's a fun, feel-good project to brighten up chilly days. And finally, our Island Hopper kit. Set sail with this breezy blue print that looks just like a batik. It's sunshine in a bag, ready for sand, surf, or your next staycation. Each kit includes all of the materials needed to create the sling bag, embroidery accents, and a special goodie bag of surprises to make our sew along even more memorable. These kits are basically a sewing passport to a great time. And now let's hand things over to Ellen March, who is the Director of Content for Sulky of America, where she is going to share a tour of the embroidery options.
I've designed an accessory duo specifically for Lamont, and it's so much fun. Both the mini zip pouch and the key fob are stitched in the hoop of your embroidery machine, ensuring that your stitching is precise and consistent with perfectly aligned seams and effortless zipper insertion. Both projects are designed for no fray fabrics, and included in the Lamont kits are beautiful faux leathers, each in a different color and texture for a stylish addition to your bag. The mini zip pouch fits those popular misting hand sanitizers, but it's also perfect for those pet waste bags, keys, chapstick, earbuds, all those little items that you need easy access to when you're out adventuring. The motif on the front says "Adventure Awaits," But during the event, I'll teach you how to replace that motif with a different one of your choice if desired. The key fob is also customizable, but it comes with a fun starburst design that looks great in a variety of thread colors. The key fob has a snap closure, so you can create several for different seasons or events and swap them out when desired. Both accessories have swivel clips, so you can attach them to the Lamont accessories clip on the bag strap. You can just as easily tuck them inside as well. On New Year's Eve, I'll take you through both of these projects at the machine so we can make a set together before constructing Lamont. I'll see you then.
So as you can see, we are ready and so excited to ring in the new year with you, full of sewing, skills, and an incredible community of makers. So don't miss your boarding pass to fun. Grab your kit, call your sewing crew, and register for the event today. We'll see you on New Year's Eve.